Okay, students, now we are going to see the next two topics are properties of set operations. It is an intersection investigation to find out the operations among sets like union and intersection, etc. Follow mathematical properties such as commutativity, associativity, etc. We have seen numbers having many of these properties. Whether sets also possess this is to be explored. So we first take up the properties of set operations on union and intersections. Union means symbol of U, intersection means symbol of intersection symbol. First we have to find out the commutative property. In set language, commutative situations can be seen when we perform operations. For examples, we can look into union and intersection of sets to find out if the operations is commutative. So for examples, let A equal to 2, 3, 8, 10 and B equal to 1, 3, 10, 13. With two sets, then A union B. So ascending order, so 1 next to 2, 3, 8, 10, 13. So ascending order and B union A equal to same numbers 1, 2, 3, 8, 10 and 13. So next, from the above we see that A union B equal to B union A. There are two sets of commutative property of union sets. Now A intersection B equal to 3, 10 and B intersection A equal to 3, 10. A intersection means this both are common values. So 3, 10 and B intersection A equal to 3, 10. Then we see that A intersection B equal to B intersection A. This is called a commutative property of intersection of two sets. This is the commutative property of any two sets A and B. So first part A union B equal to B union A. Second part A intersection B equal to B intersection A. So we have find the examples 1.19. If A equal to B, E, F, G and B equal to C, E, G, H, then verify the commutative property of union sets. Union of sets. Second one intersection of sets. So இது என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க கேட்டிங்கன்னா ஏன்னு ஒரு செட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பின்னு ஒரு செட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க ஏ செட் யூனிட் செட்ல யூனியன் செட்ஸும் இன்டர்செக்ஷன் செட்ஸும் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So we have to find the solution given A equal to B, E, F, G and B equal to C, E, G, H. So first we have to find A union B. A union B means ascending order. B, C, E, F, G, H. So equation number 1. Next, B union A equal to same letters ascending order. B, C, E, F, G, H. So equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we have A union B equal to B union A. So it is verified that union of sets is commutative. Say second part intersection sets. So A intersection B equal to common values E, G. So equation number 3. So B intersection A equal to same letters E, G. Equation number 4. So from 3 and 4 we get A intersection B equal to B intersection A. So it is verified that intersection of sets is commutative. Next example 1.20. So if A equal to minus 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2. Next B equal to 0, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. And C equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1, 2, 5 by 2. Then verify A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. So now B intersection C equal to, so B, C के common values 1 by 4, 2, 5 by 2. Next A intersection B intersection C. So A values and B intersection C common values 1 by 4, 2. Equation number 1. Next A intersection B equal to, so A intersection B common value A comma B common value 0 comma 1 by 4 comma 3 by 4 comma 2. Next A intersection B intersection C equal to 1 by 4 comma 2 comma 2. From 1 and 2 it is verified that A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Next exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. So we have to find first question. If P equal to 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, Q equal to 2, 3, 5, 9, 11, R equal to 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and S equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. There are 4 sets of equation. So then find first part P union Q union R. Second part P intersection Q intersection S. So third part Q intersection S intersection R. So we have to finding the first one part. So solution P union Q equal to, so P values are here. So 1, 2, 5, 7 and 9. Union Q values 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. So ascending order 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So ascending order. Next P union Q union R. So already here P union Q values are here. Union R values 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. So ascending order same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. So this is the first part solution. So second part P intersection Q equal to, so P values are here, symbol intersection, and Q's values are here. So intersection means common values. Two are here, 5 common values, and 9 common values. Next P intersection Q intersection S. So already P intersection Q we know that here 2, 5, 9 intersection S value 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So P intersection Q intersection S. So common values you are taking 2 and 5. Otherwise not common values. So P intersection Q intersection S equal to 2, 5. So this is second part solution. So we have to third part solution. So first Q intersection S intersection R. We are finding the bracket, first one bracket values. Q intersection S equal to, so Q values are here, intersection or S values are here. Intersection means common values 2, 2 are here. We are taking 3. Next 5. So Q intersection S intersection R. So already we know the Q intersection S numbers are here, intersection R values are here 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. So 2, 3, 5. So common values we are taking. So second question, test for the commutative property of union and intersection of the sets. So P equal to X is Q real numbers between 2 and 7. So Q equal to X is on irrational numbers between 2 and 7. So P equal to rational numbers means real numbers. So 2 விட அதிகமாக இருக்கணும் 7க்குள்ள இருக்கணும் 3, 4, 5, 6 Q values are நிறைய ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ் 2, 7க்குள்ள 2, 3க்குள்ளேயே நிறைய ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கு ஸோ approximately we have find root 5, root 6, root 7 so P union Q equal to so ascending order 3, 4, 5, 6 root 5, root 6, root 7 so next Q union P equal to so same way P values are here root 5, root 6, root 7 3, 4, 5 and 6 so equation number 2 from 1 and 2 they are equal therefore P union Q equal to Q union P union sets P union Q P intersection Q equal to Q intersection P so P intersection Q means so இந்த வேல்யூமே இல்லாதனால null set Q intersection P equal to null set therefore intersection set it is proved